Hello, Poncho fam. It is me, your host here. I am Poncho, and this is Poncho Studios, and I thank you for showing up. Today, we're getting into another review, so buckle your seatbelts, folks, put on your safety gear, and let's get started. Okay, here we go. Woo! Here we go, Poncho fam. All right, today is a good review because I got one of the figures that's on my list that I've been wanting. Um, Here today we are reviewing G.I. Joe Classified Retro Carded Cobra Commander. As you can see, he has a file card and all the figures that come after him. You see the legalese, all that good stuff, barcode, what it comes with, that sort of thing. Side, other side, bottom, kind of boring. And here we go with the retro card, Cobra Commander. Now there's another version that came with the his tank of this figure, but it had a messed up Cobra logo on it. Like it had like Disney ears or Mickey ears or whatever you want to call it. That's a cool, I've been trying to watch out for me like the secondary market to see if I can get a his tank. I might just have to buy one of the secondary his tanks, or like make my own. So, anywho, here is the G.I. Joe Classified Retro Carded Cobra Commander. See him all in his blister artwork, which I'm going to try to save the back of it. It's pretty cool. I like the look of this one. I have the regular release of this figure. I don't know where it's at because I know it's around here somewhere. I just don't know like the whereabouts of it. It's here somewhere, in a bag. Uh, Due to like space, I haven't been able to put them up because there's like spacing problems. We only got. Anyway, you don't need to hear all that. Okay, you know the dealio, folks. When I snap my fingers, he'll be released out of his packaging, and I've been looking forward to this figure. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yes. Here we go with the G.I. Joe Classified Retro Carded Cobra Commander. The one I've been looking for, and whenever I get a display, he's going to replace the old Cobra Commander that came out. All right, let's move into the look of the figure. I love the fact that they did a chrome or mirror look to that. You can see he has the Cobra logo on his chest. He's got a holster and boots, and he's in his uniform. Turn it around, it goes all the way around, and he just looks amazing. Moving into the articulation of this figure, his toes pointy toes. Moving, it kind of breaks the sculpt there, but that's fine. It's all right. It's a figure. Frenching, rocker. I cannot talk today. He has pinless joints, and come on, he can bend his knee, kick his snake butt. He has a upper thigh swivel, and he has the patented Joe drop down hip. He can kick out with the hip and kicking back as far as he can kick back. Let's see if he can do the Chuck Norris. He can do the Chuck Norris. All right. And then moving to waist rotation. He has a crunch about that far. And arc back about that far. And high. High. He has a butterfly joint. His arm can go all the way around. He can hit that. Ooh, this one's a little tough. I need to heat him up. He can hit the T-pose. I just need to heat that arm up because it's a little rough. But that's okay. He has an upper arm swivel. He has a pinless elbow. He can all the way. I should have heated him up, but that's fine. Moving to, he has a trigger figure hand for his trigger. Goes all the way around. Moving to he has a neck out there that can move. He can moving to the head, he can bury his chin. He can look up about that far due to the helmet. It gets caught, and it can go all the way around. All right. Moving to the accessories of this bad guy. Literally. He comes with a Cobra stand. You're kind of off center there. There you go. He also comes with a couple of hands. Comes with like a gripping hand and a pointing hand. And he comes with fisticuffs hands. And he comes with this tiny little knife. Comes with this Ray hair drying gun. And the back part for that. Plug in and all that good stuff. Cobra logo. Okay, moving to height comparison. Star Wars Black Series, you know it's coming. Stormtrooper armor, George Lucas, and Incinerator Trooper. Star Wars Black Series. There we go with those guys. Removing those guys. Moving to G.I. Joe Classified, one of the twins. Can't remember which one it is at this time. And a G.I. Joe Classified Cobra officer. Looks like Cobra Commander's a little bit taller than those guys. Yeah. Moving those guys. Battle Royale Fortnite Meowscles, who is bigger and beefier than Cobra Commander, can probably knock him out. And Marvel Legends Wolverine. All right. Moving those guys. got to put my mascot Scully in there. Okay, and that is the end of this review, folks. I will put my Instas up right now. That's Instagram. And follow me on that. You can also follow me on the Facebooks. It's under my non-stage name, which if you know, you know. And you guys, please take care of your mental health and have a good night or day, depending where you're at. Have a good night or day, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.